Hello again. This is Math 2-115 coming to you from the College of DuPage. The title of this lecture is Midterm Terms of Reference and Content Overview. As always, please be an active learner as you watch this video. Let's begin by discussing where we are relative to the syllabus. So this is what we set out to do at the beginning of the term. This over here is called the topical outline, and this is called the learning objectives. So let's review the things that are in scope and that we've finished. Okay, so we were to define the key terms and phrases in set theory, logic, combinatorial mathematics, and math induction. That is finished and certainly in scope for the midterm. You're supposed to construct proofs using math induction, and actually there were other kinds of proofs that we did too, and so that's also in scope. You're supposed to be able to solve combinatorial problems. That means counting problems involving permutations, combinations, the principle of inclusion and exclusion, and you should include the pigeonhole principle here as well. We have not done graph theory yet, and so that is yet to be done. We've done some propositional logic, and there is a problem dealing with doing a truth table for a circuit. We'll say more about that later, but we will do some more of this Boolean function. And we did also some translating complex statements to propositional in propositional logic to simplified form, and later on we'll do finite state machines. In terms of a topical outline, then, we've done set theory, and I suppose a little bit of set logic or mathematical logic. We've talked about relations and functions, math induction, combinatorial mathematics. We have not done number 5 because we're going to do a bunch of graph theory later. This is also, number 6 is also a graph theory topic. Number 7 is graph theory topic. We have done number 8. We will do number 9 later, and I'll do number 10 later. So that's where we are, but we're in a good position with midterm. I am confident we will cover everything you're to learn in this course. Here's some notes. Relative to our textbook, the midterm covers chapters 1 through 4 and chapter 6 in our textbook. Chapter 5 is number theory, and we skip that, although I may do some of that as enrichment, time permitting. The exam is going to be emailed to your dupage.edu email just prior to the exam starting. You're to have no notes. You can use Excel and the onboard computers. When I say onboard, I mean the calculators that are on your workstation. You can also use Excel. You're to do no. This doesn't mean servicing. This is surfing. So you're not supposed to be going onto the web to do things, and you may use blank scratch paper. The exam itself will have 120 minutes, and you'll have 10 equally weighted problems to complete. These are my descriptions for those kind of problems. Truth table logic for hardware circuits, big O estimates, and algorithms. 3 problems dealing with counting and combinatorial analysis. A problem dealing with functions. A problem dealing with set theory. 2 proofs, and a problem dealing with relational databases. That was the extra section that we covered in the book. The password protected answer sheet in Blackboard is the primary grading instrument. So make sure that you do this correctly. This is where I will look to grade. If there is a problem with no answer, that means you didn't answer the problem. So you have to have an answer here. If the answer is given here and it is correct, you will get full credit. If the answer is given here but it is wrong, you might get partial credit as I look at the PDF upload, but that's the secondary grading instrument. So understand the importance of the password protected answer sheet. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. May God bless you all.